What if I told you that buying foodstuff, toiletries, and provision for someone else could become your full-time income? People laugh at errand jobs, but guess what? In today's economy, convenience is money, and the person who saves time saves money. People are waiting to be employed. People are looking for 9-to-5 job. But what if your responsibility is to solve people's daily problems? One of the biggest problems today is time, and I will be sharing with you a side hustle that is called Errand and Delivery Service. This side hustle or full-time business is something that is paying big time in Nigeria. So sit back with me while we move on to the next level. Now let's look at what is an errand service or delivery service. Now an errand service is when you go to a client, you take their list of provision or toiletries or food stuff, then you go to the market or the supermarket and get these items they have listed for them, and you take it to their doorstep for delivery, and they pay you off for the day. Now, delivery service is when you pick up something for someone and you deliver it to the person's house. When you're doing an errand service, the person gives you money to go and get the stuff for him or her. So you are not using your money to buy anything. You are going with the person's money, you're buying the person's item, and when you deliver, the person pays you for your service. Now you're saving this person time, you're saving this person traffic, and you're also saving your client the stress to move around. Now most people look and laugh at errand service, but let me tell you, dignity is not in title. It is in the value you render to people. Every successful business started by solving a small problem. Don't despise small beginning, but despise staying small in your thoughts. Now, why this business works is because you have a lot of teachers, mothers, nursing mothers, even entrepreneurs who do not have the time to go to the market or to do shopping. Now, these people are not poor people. They have the money, but they don't have the time. So you are adding value to their lives by giving them this service, because you go out of your way to provide all their needs and they pay you off. So this business is a valuable business and is a profitable business. Stressless. You don't need to buy anything to start this business. You don't need to save money to start this business. All you need is to start telling people, this is what I'm into. And before you know it, people are calling you from the left and the right to render service for them. Now you'll be wondering, how do I start this business? What do I do? How will people know I'm doing this business? You use the social media to start this business. First of all, you work with your contacts. You have a WhatsApp contact. Tell everybody on your WhatsApp contact, this is what I'm into. This is what I do. Because those who know you are those that would trust you first to give you money to deliver service to them. So you start with your contact, those you know. All you need to do is to type a simple text. Now, this simple text can just be like, hi, I now render a delivery and errand service. Send me your list and I will handle the rest. Thanks. As simple as that. You send message to all your contacts, all your social media platform, you put it up. Before you know it, people are calling you. And now you're not afraid of those on your contact because they're already on your phone. So you're not saying, oh, I don't know this person that is calling me. These are people you know. So you start with those people. So when you grow from there, you move to the larger audience where you have other people you don't even know, people that you're following on social media platform that stay around where you live or your state, and you start working with those people. So this business is something that I think if you're not doing anything, you are sitting at home and you're wondering, when will this 9-to-5 job come? This is the kind of business you should jump into. It's profitable and it's stressless. You don't need to buy anything. And guess what? When you start with your contacts will now become your word of mouth advertisers, because when you do a good delivery to them, you get them what they want. They will start telling people on your behalf that, oh, I have this errand boy, I have this errand girl, I have this delivery guy that is a perfect person. He can do the job for you. Before you know, they start telling people for you, and you're getting more clients. So this is a business or a side hustle that you should not sleep on if you're not doing anything. Jump on this. Now, one of the beautiful qualities that I would want you to imbibe if you want to start this business: be reliable, be transparent to your clients, always send them proof of payment, give them their receipts so that they know you are a very open and transparent person and they can trust you. And remember, your service is not free. So don't buy things for them because they are in your contact or family members or friends, and then you don't collect the monies for your charges. Always remember and put a fixed price depending on location. Now, if the person's house is like not too far from the supermarket and the person is sending you, now you charge according to distance. Now, if the person is sending to a farther destination, you now have to charge according to the distance and transportation that you will be paying. So work on your charges, work on your prices, and let them know. Now, in this business, trust is your capital. Always inform your client if a particular product that they have demanded for, if it's not available, don't go ahead and buy something else. Always let them know. Make a phone call or a message. This product you have sent me to buy is not available. This is what is available. Should I go for this or that? Always let them know. Now, be accountable to your clients. For example, if they have given you 20,000 naira to buy a particular product and you go to the market to buy that particular product and the product is 18,500, inform your clients. Don't say, today one don shele for me, or today one don better for me, and you now take that extra change. No. Tell them, oh, you gave me 20,000 naira for this product, but I went to the market and it's 18,500, so you have a balance of 1,500. Let your clients be able to trust you and say, this person, I can trust this person. Even if this thing is not up to this amount, this person will give me my balance. Let your clients be able to trust you, because capital in this business, as I earlier said, is trust. Let them trust you totally. Never let anyone tell you your business is small. All those big businesses you see today started small. This errand business can look small today, but tomorrow it can become a structured logistic company. In a world where everyone is rushing, why don't you be the one who helps and manages the rush for others? Start where you are, use what you have, and solve the problem for others. People don't pay you for effort, they pay you for solving problems. Now, if you're thinking on starting this business, or you have someone that is redundant or unemployed that does not have a job, please go to the comment section and let me know. And also share this video to that person who you think can start up this business. Share this video, like, and let me know in the comment section if you're starting this business. And also, if you have an idea to tell me, we are family, let's discuss together in the comment section. I will be expecting your messages. So this is where we wrap up today's edition on Bonnie's chat room. Until I see you in my next video, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi Atutale.